Well, hi guys, Josh here. I've just finished school, and yeah, it's been a really rubbish day because I was in PE and like this retard was like taking for like ever to get changed, and yeah, we had to like wait for like half the lesson, and then we only got to have a little game of football, which was pretty crap because like, well, we only have an hour, or sometimes we have a bit less, but normally we have an hour. Also, today, well, I've only had a few days of having a YouTube account, so yeah. I hope people like this video and subscribe if they want me to, mention more. So, bye!